In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Metaobjects, a new feature on Shopify. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the process with ease, so let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to your Shopify admin portal. Once you're here, you should see the home page of your store. This is your starting point for accessing the Metaobjects feature. Now, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen, where you will find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. Upon clicking Settings, you'll notice a list of various options to choose from. The one we're looking for is Metafields and Metaobjects, so click on that to move forward. And now you should see a screen that allows you to manage custom data in Shopify. This is where you can access and define Metaobjects. Let's move on to the next step. Click on Metafield Definitions. This option will allow you to see the definitions that are currently in place and to create new ones. Once you're in the Metafield Definitions section, look for the option to define your first Metaobject. It will be prominently displayed if you haven't done so already. Click on it to start creating your first Metaobject. Now that we're ready to define a Metaobject, you'll want to look for the Add Definition button. This action will kick off the process of defining the elements that make up your Metaobject. After clicking Add Definition, you'll be prompted to input a name. Simply click on the name field to give your new Metaobject a unique identifier, something that clearly represents its purpose in your store. Following that, you'll come across the Type option. Click there to select what kind of data or information your Metaobject will hold. Make sure to choose a type that aligns with the information you plan to store within this Metaobject. Next, you'll find an Add Description field. While it might seem optional, it's quite beneficial to include a description here. This will provide additional context for anyone else who might interact with this Metaobject, or even for you, should you need to revisit it later. Once you have filled in the description, click again on the name field, but this time it's for adding specific entries or records to your Metaobject. Each entry you add becomes a distinct data point within your Metaobject. Finally, you'll notice an Options area. Clicking on Options allows you to configure additional settings or features for your Metaobject. This might include visibility settings, default values, or any other attributes that can bring more efficiency to how you use Metaobjects throughout your store. That's it! You've successfully learned how to use Metaobjects on Shopify and can now manage custom data in a more structured and efficient manner. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.